Many people feel self-conscious about dark circles and puffiness under their eyes. It makes us look tired, it makes us look stressed, even older than we really are. While there are endless creams and serum promising instant results, most of them do little more than emptying our wallets. The truth is, you can get visible improvement using two simple ingredients that are already sitting in your kitchen: coffee and egg white. These two natural remedies can help tighten the skin, reduce puffiness, and lighten dark cycles in just a few minutes. Let me explain how and why they work so well. Coffee isn't just an energy booster, it's also a fantastic skincare ingredient. The secret lies in its caffeine content and antioxidants. Caffeine helps by tightening the blood vessels just under the skin. When the tiny capillaries around your eyes relax or dilate, fluid can build up, leading to that puffy or swollen looks we often wake up with. Caffeine gently constricts those vessels, reducing the swelling and making your eyes look fresher and even more awake. Coffee is also packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals. These radicals are unstable molecules that damage skin cells and speed up aging. These antioxidants help protect your skin from ultraviolet rays, pollution, stress, and all of which can make dark cycle worse. Another benefit of coffee is that it helps to stimulate blood flow. When you apply it to your skin, it encourages circulation under the surface, which can bring more oxygen and nutrients to the area, thereby brightening dull and tired skin. That's why you often find caffeine listed in expensive eye creams, but you can get the same effect using the real thing. The second ingredient is something many of us use every day: the egg, specifically the egg white. Egg white acts as a natural skin tightener. When it dries, it creates a gentle pulling effect that firms and tones the skin. This helps to smooth out fine lines and temporarily lift saggy skin under the eyes. It also has a mild astringent property, which means it can help to shrink pores and reduce oiliness. But what really makes egg white powerful for under eye care is its ability to reduce inflammations and improve circulation. So by calming down puffiness and encouraging better blood flow, it helps fade that tired, swollen look we often get in the morning. So together, coffee and egg white creates a simple yet powerful home remedy that can instantly refresh your appearance and improve skin health over time. So here's how to make the coffee egg white mask. You will need 1 egg white, 2 teaspoons of coffee grounds. If you just made a pot of coffee, you can use the freshly used grounds. They still contain a good amount of caffeine. If you have unused coffee grounds, those are even better because they hold the highest concentration of caffeine and antioxidants. So in a small bowl, combine the egg whites and coffee grounds. Use a fork or small whisk to mix them until the texture becomes frothy, and that should take about 1 minute. Before applying the mask, make sure your face is clean and dry. You can use your fingertip or a small brush to gently apply the mixture under and around your eyes. Be careful not to get it close to the lash line. As the mask starts to dry, you feel a slight tightening and maybe a mild tingling sensation. That's a good sign. It means blood flow is increasing and the skin is firming up. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. During this time, the egg white works to tone the skin while the coffee reduces the puffiness and the dark coloration. So after 10 minutes, take a soft washcloth soaked in a warm water and gently wipe away the mask. Avoid rubbing, just dab and lift it up. When your skin is clean, it's important to apply moisturizer, especially under your eyes where the skin is delicate. My personal favorite is extra virgin coconut oil. It's light, it's natural, and it's rich in healing fats that nourishes the skin. A tiny drop massage gently under each eye will keep the area soft, hydrated, and glowing. You can use this mask once a day, preferably in the morning or before bedtime. Most people start to notice visible results after a few uses, usually within a week. The skin looks smoother, the puffiness goes down, the dark cycle begins to fade away. And remember, consistency is key. Just like any skincare routine, natural remedies works best with time and regular use. If you have sensitive skin, try testing a mixture on a small patch of your arm first to make sure there is no irritation. What makes this remedy so effective is that it works with your body, not against it. The skin under your eyes is very thin, much thinner than the skin on the rest of your face. That's why it's often the first place to show fatigue, stress, or dehydration. Caffeine from coffee reduces the buildup of fluid and brightens the areas, while the proteins in egg whites strengthen and tone the tissue. When used together, they help restore circulation, firm up the skin, and support healthy cell renewal. Unlike the store-bought creams filled with chemicals and artificial perfumes, this method gives your skin a natural boost without side effect or high cost. If you want even better results, combine this mask with a few simple habits that support healthy skin. Number 1, get enough sleep. Most dark cycles are made worse by poor rest. Then number 2, stay hydrated. Drink enough water throughout the day to prevent fluid retention. Then number 3, reduce salt and alcohol intake. Both can cause puffiness under your eyes. Then number 4, eat antioxidant-rich foods such as berries, leafy greens, and nuts to protect your skin from inside out. And number 5, always remove makeup before bed to keep your pores clean and prevent irritation. These small habits, along with your coffee and egg white mask, can make a huge difference in how bright and refreshed your eyes looks. Dark circles and under eye bag don't have to be a permanent part of your face. You don't need expensive creams or complicated treatments. Sometimes nature gives us everything we need right in our kitchen. So try this simple remedy for a week and you will likely notice that your eyes look more awake, your skin feels firmer, and you appear more vibrant overall. So I encourage you to share this natural tip with others who may be struggling with puffy eyes or dark circles. They'll be amazed how quickly and safely it works. So take good care of your skin, take good care of your health, and as always, make today a great day. If you find this video helpful, like it, comment, and share. Thank you.